right, so just coming back, this is one Saturday, Sunday. Today is the third day of construction on this particular project. Like I said, we're bringing you multiple different projects and different job sites that we're working on. In this one, we're doing a stone fireplace. So this was an old brick fireplace, as I showed you guys a couple of days. I had to do demo and take the ledge away that was here. And then they're putting the pieces on one at a time. A lot of you guys don't know maybe how this actually works, but it's not sheets of stone. They're actually individual pieces like this. And then we actually have to put them on one by one and put some mortar, put the next piece one by one, all the way up. So it's gonna take a couple of weeks. And then it kind of wraps around. So a piece like this might go on the side, something like this. So, just bringing an update on this particular project. These rocks come in bags of rock, heavy bags of rock. But that's what we got so far, and I'll keep you posted on the next video.